Ready to turn that Google Play gift card into powerful characters and awesome gear in Genshin Impact? Hey travelers, today, I'm going to walk you through the super simple process of redeeming your Google Play gift card to fuel your Tavid adventures. First things first, make sure you're logged into the Google Play Store with the same Google account you use for Genshin Impact. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. A menu will pop up. Select Payments and Subscriptions. Now tap on Redeem Gift Code. This is where the magic happens. Carefully enter the gift card code located on the back of your Google Play gift card. Make sure you scratch off the protective layer first if needed. Double check that you've entered everything correctly. Once you've entered the code, tap Redeem. You'll see a confirmation screen showing the balance added to your Google Play account. Awesome! Now hop back into Genshin Impact, open the payment menu and select your desired top-up option. For top-up, select Purchase Genesis Crystal. Choose the amount of Genesis Crystals you want. When the payment window pops up, it should automatically use your Google Play balance. Just confirm the purchase, and boom! Your Primogems are ready to be spent. Use them for wishes, refills, or whatever your heart desires. Now go forth and conquer Tavid. Remember to like and subscribe for more Genshin tips and tricks. Happy gaming!